Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I did say welcome back because I have actually had this YouTube channel for over 2 years now. That's insane. I've definitely evolved over the last 2 years, and to be honest, I feel like more equipped and more prepared now for this channel than I was 2 years ago. But nevertheless, I wish I had still continued because I've missed you guys. I've truly missed you guys. So as this channel has kind of evolved, you're going to see different videos on it. Same concept though. I'm still truly passionate about helping people make money from home. I've definitely had that tug of war for the last 2 years, and we'll go into another video and discuss that. But for today, based on what I'm doing technically for a majority of my income right now is I am reselling. What does that mean? Basically, I'm flipping clothing and accessories and shoes. Basically, that terminology I feel like is more common. I never heard of reselling until about a year ago. And so I've been doing this for over a year now, and it has been truly fun. Like amazing. I'm really surprised how much fun I get with this. So what do? I go to thrift stores, consignment stores, buy trade sale stores, retail stores, and find things on clearance. And then I go online to different platforms and I sell these products, receiving a profit with doing it. So today was actually what I'd like to call a Portland haul. I had gone to Portland, Oregon, the beginning of this month and spent 3 days going to several different stores across the Portland metro area. And I thought about showing you guys everything I got, but that was over 250 items. And I also have a system right now with when I get product home, how I initiate like movement to get them online. Otherwise, like that big pile would have totally overwhelmed me, especially if I was waiting to do this YouTube video. So majority of the items, I wouldn't say majority, half of the items are on my stores right now. I'll have the links down below in regards to where you can see these items and purchase them. But I figured I would show you like my top 15 items. I believe I've got 15 here. My top 15 items that I found this weekend. I'm gonna move over here because hopefully I remember how to put a picture right here, because I'm just gonna take what I've taken pictures of, a majority of them, and then I've got a few shoes that I really was excited about finding. So the first item that I found that I was stoked to find was a J. Crew olive green seaside linen jogger. Now, I picked these up and was just about to toss them. I'm trying to get in the habit. I was at an outlet, I will state that. So that's where you pay by the pound. And I was about to toss these because it was just this big bin of like tons of clothing, and I was just trying to dig through it as fast as I could, and I felt them. And I could tell that they were linen. And so I grabbed them back, looked, it was J. Crew. It's a good size too. It's a size 14, which is what I was really excited about as well. So that was a great find. I love finding products that have these specialty fabrics like cashmere or wool or linen. They generally go for a higher price point, and that's why I like to find them, even if they are what we like to call mall brands, the Aeropostale, Hollister, American Eagle. I'll still pick up those things if they do have, I wouldn't say Hollister. I generally gravitate away from that one. But what are some of them? I find Gap. I love picking up Gap, Banana Republic. Those are ones that I will pick up if I generally find it with those different fabrics. The second thing I found, also really excited about because I've never found this brand before, was a Rebecca Taylor leopard print long sleeve sweater. It was a size small, but I loved the print on this. That's what really caught my attention initially. And then when I saw what brand it was, I was like, all the more better. Super happy about that. So again, great find. That's number 2. My papers aren't moving. Okay, this is another brand that I really like picking up. I love picking up Nike. If I can get it for a pretty good price and flip it, even if it's like a $25, $30, like I personally just love Nike, and that's why I think I love picking it up. But this was one of those that I was like, it's unique and I really like that. It was just a Nike quarter zip, but it had this floral print. I'll show you the picture right there. And it's a pullover, but loved the colors. It felt like that was a really great combination for spring, and which is what we're coming into. Right now, this is January of 2020. That's insane, but moving on. So I was super stoked to find this. That's a size, I don't know. I don't remember. Actually, it wasn't showing there. My bad, you guys. If you want it, go look in my description below. I'll have the link for, oh, I didn't even tell you guys. I am on Poshmark and eBay. So ebay.com, Poshmark.com. Both of those are where I have my stores, but I will have the links below so you can actually go straight to my store. The next thing I found was an Eliza J blue striped dress. And then it had this lace detail right here. It was a long sleeve. Beautiful. I loved it. Again, the color combos are perfect for this time of year. It was also close to knee length. So really, really nice if you could wear like nude heels with it or something. I'm a sucker for like lace. I'm sure you guys remember that. So that right there was just gorgeous to me, that little touch on a striped dress. This brand I had never found before. I was really surprised when I looked up comps for it. Basically, I went onto the different platforms and said, okay, how has this sold in the past? And this one sold for a pretty good price. It's Black Orchard, kind of like a slouchy pant. It's a slack material to me, but it's very comfortable. Like when I have fuzz like blowing, I'm sorry, you guys, if you can see that. I can see it. But they're like a jogger style pants. But the quality of them like looked like a slack. Like you could wear that at a career or a professional like attire event. It was a size 27, super gorgeous. I loved it when I felt it. That was the other thing I really liked about it. I love pants that's like to the touch. You're like, oh, that feels really good. So this item that I picked up next, it was a Market and Spruce. It's something that was off of Stitch Fix. I love picking up brands that are in that subscription box because there is a following who really enjoys the subscriptions to Stitch Fix. So this was Market Spruce, and it was a military colored hoodie. And when I looked at it, the original price of it was like $94. So I was like, okay, well, this is a good find, but I'm also a major sucker for like olive green. I can thank my husband for that, to be frank. And then this next item I found, it was a Free People cardigan. It has already sold. I literally listed it and I had several different comments on it that night. By the morning, it was already sold. So it's beautiful. It was a waterfall, like front, open front cardigan. And it actually, when I was taking pictures of it, I realized that it had a hoodie on it. I so desperately tried to find a stock photo of it so people could see that it actually is a hoodie, but I couldn't find any. Nonetheless, it still sold. So it was beautiful. It sold for $40 too, so I was happy about that. And then this other piece that I found, this is an Anthropologie piece. It is a sparrow. I had never found this brand before until I went to Portland this last go around and I found two items. One of them of which have already sold. Otherwise, I was going to show it to you guys. But this one was a yellow long sleeve hoodie. Again, lightweight, super. I could totally see someone wearing this at the beach. It was beautiful. The color is a very beautiful, like spring color. And a hoodie. So loved that. That was a size small. I don't remember if I said that yet. And then, oh my gosh, I was so happy when I found this. I also love selling Piranha, but this was a very specialty Piranha piece. It was called the Hartley Pullover Hoodie. It was a size large, which is a really good size as well, but it was gray, I believe wool. Did I say, yeah, I think it's wool. I didn't say it in that description right there, but oh my gosh, I loved the feel of that one as well. It was more of like a medium weight. It wasn't super lightweight, but it wasn't very heavy. But I felt like if you were to wear it, it'd be super comfortable and just casual throughout the day. So those were my top clothing pieces that I really enjoyed. Now for the shoes. So the first store that I had gone to was a Goodwill outlet, which like I mentioned before, you pay by the pound. And so this is kind of like a wah-wah moment. I say that when your husband calls you in the middle of filming. Wah wah. That was what I was trying to do earlier. Excuse me. So I've never found this brand before. I found Allbirds. Where's the camera? There we go. Allbirds. And I was super stoked. I picked these up. These are super lightweight, really nice material. When I got home, I realized they had a hole in them. So I was like, darn it. I didn't pay a lot for them. They were super worn, but it was one of those moments of like, I just want to say that I've gotten Allbirds. And now I can just like use this as an example. So honey, next time when we're at a store, look for something like this. So I don't know if I'll actually sell them or not. Comment below if you think I should. I don't think someone will want them with a hole inside or on the side of them, but I don't know, maybe I could stitch them. I almost feel like that's like too much work. So we'll see. I should look up comps first. That's probably what I should do. My next thing I found, and I have to look more in details on this, but I thought I just recently saw someone else selling this, and this was like, sorry, an anthropology collab with this brand. So I'm gonna need to look that up because that would be phenomenal. But I found hunter boots. I was so excited. I got this at the outlet, and the bin had came up right in front of me. And when they're pulling out bins and they haven't like completely finished yet, they tell everyone like you can't touch anything. So once all the bins are there, they go, and then you just go for it. Now these, I don't know if someone picked them up and then maybe put them back, but I was in the bin digging, and all of a sudden I look over, I'm like, whoa, hey, and I just grabbed them. So I don't know if they were always there or if someone put them back, because there is just a little bit of wear right here on both of them, but that's it. Like the bottoms, I mean, there's a little tread wear right there. No cracking though. Like I twisted them. I tried to do this to see if they were gonna do anything, but no, they're in really good condition. So they are hunter. They're this really cute kind of bluish gray. I loved the color. Again, I'm so feeling spring. There's snow outside right now, but I'm so feeling spring. And these are a size 7. I was gonna say a 5, but that's UK. They were a size 7. The other last one, so I've actually sold these before, which is why I picked these up. These had a little bit of wear on the bottoms, but these are Lucky Brand booties. Oh my gosh, like just that, the feel of these, it's just quality. And I love with Lucky Brand too, I don't know if you can see it, but it has the little, I should blink on what that was. I was gonna say fortune cookie. That wasn't what I meant to say. But they are Lucky Brand, and they are a size 10, which is my size. But like I said, there's a little bit of wear on the bottom, but that's it. They're still in a really mint condition. There's nothing wrong with this leather. When I was looking at it, I'm like, no, it's solid. We're good. So I was really, really excited about seeing these. And like I said, I had over like 250, I think it was like 287 items that I got when I was out in Portland. My goal is to do that. I want to go on a monthly basis to different locations and spend a couple days there and just go thrift shopping. So if you are interested in these and want to continue to see items like this, be it like my whole haul or just like my top favorite items, comment down below or like this so that way I know that these are really good videos to continue doing. That helps me tremendously to know that. And I will continue to provide you not only what am I getting, but what is selling, and even more importantly, in my opinion, what are the things that are going to help you propel you to be able to make good money from working from home. So thank you so much for coming back. I can't believe I did this. I'm so excited. I love taking the time to do videos and just give you guys great content. So I look forward to coming back soon.